Oh, so cheesy. Mmm, yummy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you baked potato with cheese. Alright, so you can call it a loaded potato. So I have here my potatoes. I'm gonna wash them properly because I'm gonna bake them in the skin. I have also my cheese. I get this shredded in the supermarket, so I don't have to shred it myself. I have my baking dish, I have foil paper, and I have some oil to grease the pan and also to oil the potato. So I'm gonna get started. So here I'm removing the bottom and the top of the potato, and then I'm gonna grease it and gore it in order for it to bake easily. And let's look at the size of the potato I'm using, guys. I'm using the big ones. Here I'm adding the foil paper to the dish. So guys, I'm baking this in my toaster oven. I'm gonna set it for 350 degrees and it's gonna bake for roughly 45 minutes or until done. So if you have a toaster oven, you can also use that. Alright guys. Just adding a little oil on the potato to keep it moist. I'm also greasing the foil paper because I don't want it to stick to the bottom of it. So yes. At this time, I'm adding the potato to the dish to place it in the oven. Right. I'm gonna add the potato now, guys, to the oven. Allow it to bake until done. Alright, so about an hour or less. Okay guys, so remember I'm doing loaded potato. So I'm baking the potato first, then after it's almost finished, I'm gonna add the cheese, put it back, cheese, salt and butter, put it back for about 10 minutes and then it is done. Okay guys, just checking on the progress and it's coming on nicely. Yes, this time guys, I'm gonna remove the potato from the oven, add a little salt, the cheese and the butter, and then put it back to finish bake. So guys, remember those gore that I made before the potato was added to the oven. I'm just gonna open it slightly now and add the cheese, the butter and a little salt. Okay. And there you have it, guys, all done, all done. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And there you have it, guys, all done. Yummy. Go ahead and try it, guys. You will love it. The children will love it. Cheese, anything cheese is very nice. So go ahead and try it, guys. I'm gonna taste it for you guys. Wow, yummy, yummy. Go ahead and try this video, guys. You will love it. The children will love it. Look at the cheese. Delicious. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this video. Alright, so until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.